Let's solve this problem. Watch the whole video step by step without skipping anything. Let's search Windows Security option. Then click Firewall and Network Protection option. Then click on Advanced Setting option. It will open in Windows Defender Firewall tab. Then click Inbound Rules. Browse the path of Adobe software from PC or laptop. Write the name of software or shortcut name. Again, open tab of Windows Defender Firewall and click on Outbound Rules, then click New Rule. Do the same process for other Adobe software. Close all tabs and restart the PC or laptop.